Hey everyone, it's Rebecca. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys my backpack and how I organize it. But I did keep these things out because I just recently used them. And so yeah, hold on. I dropped my other things. Okay. So here we go. So here's my backpack. It is just a basic backpack with skulls. So I really like this backpack. Okay, so let's get started. My main pocket. Let me just open up my main pocket. This one has 4 pockets, or 4 openings. So here's my first opening. Here I have my, I don't have a folder for my advisory or my, first hour because my first hour is a band class. So, yeah. But I have my second hour, my physics class, my third hour, my ELA class, and then I go to lunch, and then my fourth hour, my technology class, fifth hour, my social studies class, sixth hour, math class, and my seventh hour is just computer class. So I don't keep a binder for that because we don't do much work, but I always keep papers for just in case. So one minute. Okay. Now for the next little opening, it's pretty small, but in here I keep my my mints. I like the Duo mints because I think they just are amazing. Let me show you guys one. Hold on. These are so hard to open, but anyway. So the Icebreaker Duo Strawberry, and they just look like this. So I think these are really good. So yeah, but also, and then I have a little zippy thingy right here that I zip up, but I just didn't. Anyway, this has my pencil. I have 5 mechanical pencils in there, and I have 1 wooden. Because one of my classes require a wooden pencil. Actually, that's my math class because she will not let you use a mechanical pencil. Because she does me like that. But anyway, I'll just buckle this back up. Okay? And then I just unbuckled this one. But anyway, and then this is my other pocket. And then this pocket, I have this is my emergency kit. If you guys want to know what's in there, I'll open it real quick. Hold on. Okay. Just have my emergency for that time of month. A hand sanitizer. This one smells so good, but with an unfortunate name. Some lotion. My pen. And my mascara. So I'm gonna put all that stuff back in there. Okay, hold on. Ooh. And then lastly, my index cards, and there's a pocket for that. See? So hold on. So I'm just zipping it up right now and buckling it. But I did that off camera, obviously. Hold on. And now I'm just doing this off camera, so you'll probably hear it, but I just opened my last zipper, and that is the side zipper. So in here, I have me a pencil case right here. It's a pencil case. And a homework folder. That's for all homework I have. And so, lastly, what I didn't put in my backpack was something that I actually didn't have to do, but I chose to do because I put on my Facebook account that was like, I don't like my status for letters, so I made, and I'll put them in their locker, so I put, my friend calls me. Oops, that one's supposed to be last. Okay, my friend calls me, and I put his locker number right there. my best friend Angel, and I put her locker number. My friend Destiny, and I put her locker number. And my lovey, and my love. See, look, everyone else's is blue, and his is just like, yep, I'm green. Blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. Yeah. Okay, but I just put those right in front of my physics paper, and there we go. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Just like, comment, and subscribe, and like this video for a tutorial how to make a whiteboard calendar. Bye.